so this is my second YouTube video. My name is Angela if you haven't met me yet, and today I'm going to do a beach video. I wish I had this video when I was like 12, just so I can get ready. Sometimes I get a little scared before I go to the beach with friends, because you know, social anxiety, but we're fine. So this past weekend I actually went to the beach with my boyfriend and his family, and it was so much fun. I almost drowned though, so I'll get to that later. And I also wanted to do what's in my beach bag. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what's in my beach bag. Bag courtesy of my sister. So one thing that I don't necessarily include in my beach bag, but I think it's really important to have on before you even go, is your swimsuit. So mine is actually from Target. I wanted to make sure that it was thick and that it was durable, because when I'm in the ocean, I can't swim. So I need something that will stay on while I'm flapping in the water. So this was really good for me. It's extra padded to get those nice Instagram pictures. And I have these bottoms. I wouldn't recommend going to like the water park with these because it does have the strings on the side that can unravel and you can get messy business. However, for the beach is fine. The second thing for a must-have in your beach bag is sunscreen. My boyfriend is hella white, so he needs a lot. So I have SPF 70. As you can see, I am very tan, so I don't really need it that much. However, no matter how tan you are, you do need sunscreen. Quick fact. This one is Copper Turn Sports. Just wear sunscreen. So the next thing that I really do pack is tons and tons of liquids. I get really hot really easily. I am very dramatic. So I need a lot of different liquids in order to get me through the day. Fun fact, I do not drink water. I know it's really bad, but I stay clear of water, which is so bad. Drink your water. Don't follow my example. But I do have one water bottle, which is, I think it's my boyfriend's. As you can see, I barely drink. Even half of it. It's fine. The second one is my college's water bottle that I got for free at my orientation. It says Montclair State University. It's red, cute. It looks a little cheap, but it's fine, it's free. I love free. The third one I have is Powerade, again, sponsor me. Red, again, I live my life based on juice. Juice gets me through the day. Everyone who knows me knows I have a juice box in my purse because it's just something that I need. I get thirsty and I'm not gonna drink water. Next I need is snacks. My absolute most favorite chips is barbecue chips. So obviously I have a Happy Eating bag in mine. The next thing I have in my beach bag is a lot of hair ties, hair brushes, and concealer. Now you're thinking, you're in the water, why would you wear concealer? Well, when you go to the boardwalk afterwards, you don't want to look all musty, dusty, and rusty in your boardwalk Instagram pictures. So, I use the Master Conceal by Face Studio Camouflage Concealer. And I just use that to put underneath my eyes so I look a little bit more refreshed, not like I just was tumbled in the waves by the ocean. And it's actually really good. So the next thing I have in my beach bag is a pair of sunnies. This is from Windsor. And I mean, these aren't the most sun protected. I would probably get a more expensive brand, but this is good just so you look cute and you're gonna be underneath the shade anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And the last thing is just for entertainment. I do have my purse and my Game of Thrones book. Fun fact, this Game of Thrones book was lent to me in sophomore year of high school, so quite a while ago, by my friend Matt. I've never actually read this book. I've gotten to, I want to say, the first 100 pages. We're trying to work on it. Yeah, make a book club. And then the next one is my purse. Wow, no money in it. Great. So that was in my beach bag. I hope you guys liked it and it gave you some inspiration for what you guys can put in your beach bag. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get an update when I post my next video. I would love to see what you guys want in the future, and I'll see you on the next one.